Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Canva for email marketing. Let's get started. Canva offers a variety of templates for different type of email campaigns such as newsletter, promotions, and announcements as well. Choose the right template that best fit to your need. For example, I need a template for the newsletters. Or if you want to make your own customized newsletter, you can choose create a blank newsletter. Or you can choose from these templates that you can use. You can scroll down to find more of these. For example, let's open this one. Now click on customize this template, or you can scroll down to find more of these templates that are similar to this one. This one looking more good and appealing to me, so I'll be using this one. Once you have selected your template, now it's time to customize it. Canva offers a drag and drop feature that makes it easier to add your own text, images, and graphics to the template. If you want to upload your own images, just select this option and upload your files. Now let's make some changes to this one. Here you can add your on date. You can add your phone number here. For example, if you want to add image, just go to the elements and search for the image that you want. You can use these images, just click and drag and drop on top of the image. Just double click on it to reposition it according to your need. And now click on the done icon. You can add your own text here, or if you want to remove this one, just select it and click on this bin icon. You can resize it and add your call to action button here. You can add the email here. Just select the text and write this little body text and write your email. I'm going to place it right here just so you can see. Just place it right here. You can also change the color of the font. I'm going to take a copy of this and place it just right above this one. You can add your address here. Also, you can zoom in so you can see clearly. Also add a subheading here for a contact us. And place it right in the middle. You can also change the font of this one just by clicking on it. And there you go. Now your newsletter is ready. And once your newsletter is complete, it's time to download and send it to your email list. Canva offers a range of file formats that you can save from. Just click on download and here select the file type. You can choose anything you want and click on download. And that's it. With Canva's large library of design elements and templates, you can create a professional looking email marketing designs in just few easy steps. Whether you need a newsletter, promotions, and announcement, Canva has everything for you. If you have any questions regarding this, do let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure to leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.